The core process for replacing the battery in your Audi Q7 key fob involves 3 steps. First, locate the small latch on the key fob's edge near the keyring attachment and slide or press it to unlock the internal mechanism. Next, gently pry apart the 2 halves of the plastic housing using a flat screwdriver, starting from the seam opposite the key blade. Be careful to avoid cracking the case. Finally, remove the old CR2032 lithium coin battery with positive side up, insert a new one, and reassemble the case. Use genuine Audi parts to avoid warranty issues. These kits cost around $10 to $20. Always ground yourself to prevent static discharge that could damage the fob's electronics. Ensure the battery is installed correctly to avoid misprogramming. The key fob uses a 3-volt CR2032 battery, providing power for radio frequency signals to control the vehicle. Battery life is typically 2 to 4 years, depending on usage. Be mindful that Audi is increasingly integrating smartphone-based digital keys via NFC and Bluetooth, potentially reducing reliance on physical batteries in the future. If your Q7 is under warranty, DIY battery replacement might void coverage. Experts recommend high-quality batteries like Duracell or Panasonic for extended life.